Hello, in this video I'm going to show how the IDC777 can enumerate as a USB device, audio device, and get audio in and out and act as a USB to analog converter. So I've got an audio source here fed into the analog and analog coming out. So the first thing I do is I just type the command Route7, which takes analog into USB and USB to analog out. And I can see from here, well, there are different ways to see it, but you can see from here, if I go to audio, it has enumerated as an earphone. So for example, if I go to and I play music here, from this is going over here and going all the way here, and then listening it from here. So I'll just drop it down. And similarly, so that's USB out to analog out. Similarly, what I do is I do the Control R command, and I call this is a way to test it. And what I do is I can see, I go to recording, and I can see there's audio coming in here. So I can go to properties, and I can say listen, go to listen, and I say listen to device, and I'll apply.
Campbell Palmer had already begun answering that question.
This audio is coming here.
I guess I've been lucky because I get to work
in,
up close
and then
and personal
over
with
USB,
this animal, so I get a view that maybe many other people don't see of beavers. Lovely fur. They're really...
So this is how Route7 works. Thanks a lot. You can also have I2S to USB, of course, by setting audio equal 1.1. But that's how USB to analog or I2S works on the IDC777. Thank you.